What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I don't really have like a plan on what I'm gonna be doing, but I'm gonna try to fix my stud on the 240. Let me show you guys real quick, and then I'll probably wash this because I haven't washed it in a long time and I haven't even drove it, so you can see it's all like filthy. But right here you can see this stud is like stripped. So yeah, and I have spacers, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. It's gonna be kind of hard, but all these are nice and tight, but these are loose, so I don't know what I'm gonna have to do about that. But we're gonna figure that out, and then like I said, wash it and then give the interior a detail because it's like filthy in here. Put my new floor mats that I got for my birthday, and yeah. All right, guys, so with the help of Nathan, we're here.
Howdy.
We got the thing out. Right here you can see it's a really small stud and it's like stripped. You can see it spins. But what we ended up doing is he like grabbed onto the wheel and pulled it this way, so there was pressure like pulling it back, and then we just took it off. Oh shoot, do you remember which one it was?
It was a purple. The one with all the scratches on it, because that's the one
they're all scratched.
No, it was this one though.
I think it was this one, right?
Yeah, because like this one's all chewed up because we were wrenching on it hard.
Yeah. Well, I'll put a new one. I have a bunch of new ones. But yeah, right here we got the wheel off. Yeah, now we're gonna proceed to washing it because as you can see it's all dirty. Dang, poor car, huh? You can like write something on it. Alright guys, so you can see my fitment right here, the camber. You can see like it's a little hovercraft. The back is pretty like flush, but the front is not the best because it's all messed up right there too, so that doesn't help, but it's kind of hovercraft. And then on this side I got a little, I don't know how many mils this is, doesn't say. Maybe two, maybe one, maybe 10, I don't know. But I think it's probably like a 2 mil. And I put it on, and it's still not as good as the fitment on the back, but I mean it's better. And then once it'll settle, I could pull a little bit of camber out, so adjust it so it's tighter. But yeah, now I just gotta throw the other one on and then wash it. Guys, look how look right here. Like get close on that. Like I washed it with water and it doesn't even want to come off. Like you have to like scrub that. Should I get some like 40 grit and try to take it off?
Dude, you're gonna fuck up your paint.
Nah, 40 grit isn't that bad. Why don't you put a little bit of water on there?
That's true. Well, hold on, that is true though. I used I forgot what it was. I think it was like 20 grit. It was like some really high grit, like for using it on your car. And I scrubbed overspray off my windshield. You can still see it when the sun hits it. You can see like the scratch marks on my windshield from using like 20 grit on my windshield.
Okay, now that's a little too much.
Well, you know, I'm not exactly the smartest guy in the world, but
oh my god. Alright guys, 240 is all nice and shiny. You can see it's all clean. It hasn't been this clean in a few months actually. I know it's kind of sad, but since I've been driving the hard body, I haven't had time to focus on the 240. Look how low that is. A whole bunch of you are asking me that I should go lower, and for one, don't tell me what to do, and two, it is lower. It's true. Oh, check out that hat,
man,
Stone Brook. But yeah, I did go lower, but the video hasn't gone out, so stop telling me to go lower. And then right there is my homie Frank. It's my old like mechanic suit that, here, let me show you real quick. It's my old mechanic suit, and then I just filled it up with the tarp. There's a pumpkin right there. He's tied up. He's got a little mask. He's just hanging out the back, just chilling. It creeps out a lot of people, but I don't know, it's just funny. But yeah, I did this because we're in October and Halloween, and yeah, why not? But yeah, now I gotta vacuum the inside of the 240 and throw the mats in because I'll show you guys real quick. Got my books in there and all that, but it's like filthy and everything, so I gotta clean all this. And then I'm gonna see if I could put a little carbon fiber piece that I've been having for a while. So I have a little cooling panel that goes right here. It's carbon fiber, but it's a 240, so this got pushed in a little, you can see. And right here it's kind of like too sharp of an angle, so I might have to pull this or bring it out for it to fit. At least last time I just tested it, just put it on, and I forgot I even had it. But the other day I checked my closet and it was in there, so I'm gonna see if I can put that on. But yeah, it's pretty clean in here. It's not really dirty, other than the valve cover. Alrighty guys, so I got the carbon fiber on there. You can see the carbon fiber. Do you even have carbon fiber?
I don't know what that is. That's fancy city stuff right there. I just know what these are. Some zip ties.
I got a zip tie holding my air intake in place.
The way it should be.
But yeah, I had to use some zip ties right there because I didn't have any bolts for just those two corners. But it fits pretty good actually, now that I'm looking at it. And it looks good with my, you guys can see all the little metal flakes, not metal flakes, but all the glitter in there. And then with the mint and the painted block down there, it looks good. Engine bay looks good. Car looks good other than this fat dent right here. But yeah, now to vacuum the inside finally. Look guys, one of the main things that I found love with this car when I first got it is look how clean the original carpet is. Don't mind those two wires there, I need to fix those for my electric fan. But like, I don't know, it just amazed me how clean it is. I know I have an automatic brake pedal, I don't really care, but yeah, all my interiors there, all I need is this piece back here. I need the privacy cover so you can't see all my junk. So if you guys have any privacy covers, trying to sell them, you're local to me, let me know. You guys want to see something funny? Look at my sticker. Pause the video. Here, let me get that focus. Pause the video and read that. But yeah, got everything cleaned. I'm gonna be redoing these because they're all like turning purple and gross. But the car's coming along, guys. Alright guys, got my floor mats in there. For those who are going to be asking, these are Moon Power Garage floor mats. These are the green tea ones. They're looking sick. Look at that Hot Boy brake pedal, Hot Boy wheel, Hot Boy seat. Dang.
And a literal hot boy.
Nah.
Yeah, ladies.
More like a gay boy. But yeah, let me turn the lights on, show you what it looks like in there. Got that LED in there. But yeah, these look super clean. Really nice. Well guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I know it wasn't really anything like crazy or anything.
Fuck you.
It wasn't anything crazy, but I was just like working on my car and kind of freshening it up and cleaning it. But yeah, I know there's a few of you who are actually going to enjoy the video because you guys keep asking me and telling me to record more of what I do. So
Ryan, record more! Record more!
Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.